Hello, hello, hello. My name is Martin. This is FIT, Teach the Teacher assignment, week 5, and today I'm gonna explain what are EVs. EVs stand for electric vehicles. I'm kidding. It is expected value in trading. Expected value is a mathematical concept that measures the average amount you can expect to win or lose per trade over the long run. And EVs are essentially a way of calculating the value of situations that have multiple possible outcomes. But how do you actually calculate a future value of something? Every trader has to start thinking in terms of probabilities. And I'm going to explain how EVs work with the example of a simple coin toss. So with coin toss, you always have a 50% chance of it being heads and a 50% chance of it being tails. So imagine someone offers you to pay $100 for every correctly guessed coin flip. So if you say it's heads and it's actually heads, someone will give you $100. How to calculate for what price it is still reasonable to take this deal and try to win $100. You have to take the value of every possible outcome, multiply each with its probability, and then sum up the resulting values. In this example, it's $100 multiplies 50%. So there's a 50% chance that we'll actually win $100 if we guess correctly. And then it's plus $0 multiplies 50%. There's 50% chance we'll not win anything. And this equals $50. So uh, if you if you pay $50 and there might be a chance that you'll win 100. If you play in the long run, let's say you've done 1,000 tries and you each time you paid $50 for a chance to win 100. In the long run, you will stay at the same position. You'll not go higher, you'll not go lower. But if someone offers you a deal for $40, the longer you play, the more uh, profit you will get. In more advanced example in crypto trading, I can explain with support levels of Bitcoin. So imagine current price of Bitcoin is 45,000 and you anticipate that the price of the Bitcoin can be 50,000. You have done your analysis and you really think it can be 50,000. And there are two support levels, one at 45,000 and one at 42.5. So if you buy right now at 45,000, your potential profit will be $5,000. But if you wait and you think that price can go a little bit down to 42.5k, you can place a limit order to buy at this support level, but there is only 80% chance that the order will be filled. So to calculate how much you'll get, you use EVs and you'll calculate it as 7,500. So 50,000 minus 42.5, 7,500 multiplies 80%. There's 80% chance we'll actually get it. Plus 0 multiplies 20%. There is 20% chance our order will not be filled up eventually. And in the end, we get 6,000. So in this case, it is more reasonable to wait for the price to go down so you can uh, make a more favorable trade for yourself using the probabilities theory. How EVs help optimize trading performance. EVs allow traders to compare strategies objectively in two possible outcomes. You can use EVs and determine which strategy works better in your case. Also, EVs encourages traders to think in probabilities rather than emotions. I think it's very important to think strategically, rationally, rather than emotions in trading, because the more theory you have behind your trades, I think the more successful you will be. And it's also used as risk management. And that was it for today. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.